Okay, so welcome back again. In this next part of the video, we're going to look at how to create this. Welcome back again. So today we're going to look at Messi.ai. We did a video before on Messi.ai, but today it is different from what we did before. Now again, it is very important that you created your subtitle, not a long subtitle, just something like what I'm doing now to make it easy for this. We need to know what kind of font we are using, the style of the font, and the size of the font. To do that, make sure to check under the subtitle manage or the manager here under the style, and you can see we use Avenia with the font size is 100, and yes, there's bold. Okay, so let's close this, and in this editor here we need to add our tag. Now we have the text here already. We can decide whether we put the font information in front of the text or font information at the back of the text. So today I decided to put the font information at the back. So here we have the font information that we can add. Either you can just type in line with what you have here, or you can simply click here. So we know the font, which is Avenia. So we click here and we look for Avenia. So this is the Avenia, and the font size we just put 100 here, and we click OK. So once you do that, you can see the font informations are added here. So you can see we click by selecting here, information that we add here is applied to the tag, or the tag is applied here. You can see we have added the font Avenia, the font size with this FS 100, and the font bold is 400, and the italics is 0, underline is 0, and the script is 0 there. So that's all information we need to add about the font. Now the next information is to add the tag to this each of these tags here. So this one will have a tag, another one here will have a tag, another one here will have a tag, but all of them will be simply the same copy paste. So let's start with the first one. To do that, we need to add this carry braces, which is this one here, and then in there we put a backward slash, and since we want to have some kind of a hierarchy style, we have to put in a K, and you can see it picks up the K. And that's all we need to do. All we have to do is simply select this, right click, copy, and make sure between each of the word, paste this. Make it easy, huh? So there we go. That's the first part of this. And then in here, I forgot, we need to type in the seconds, how many seconds it will appear on each of these texts. So I want to put, you can put 20, 10, 30, 40, 50, whatever, depend on how fast you're speaking, slow you're speaking. So I want to put 30. So the tag is like open carry braces, and then the backward slash, K stands for the hierarchy, and then the seconds that it will appear on the text, and then the closing carry braces, and then the word. So that's what we're going to do for all of this. Very simple as that. Once you get used to it, it will be easier to do that. Okay, so that's all we need to do, and all you have to do is activate it by simply clicking on this or update it. And you can see on our text on the screen, it already did something. So when we play that, welcome back again. So you can see it highlighting the text. Welcome back again. And then let's go on to the next one. Now you can also change the color if you want to, but for now we're going to look at how to do that. So all we have to do from the first one, we just copy the font information here and click this, right click, copy that, and go to the next one, paste this behind that, and then go back again, select this part of the tag here, and then go back again, each of these words will have its own tag, like that. Do the same for all the words. That is why it's very easy to have a short subtitle, otherwise you have a long one and you're gonna take a lot of time to do that. Okay, and update it. So here we have the first two done. Welcome back again. So today we're gonna look at Messi.ai. We did. Okay, let's go to the next one. Do the same, copy the font here, place it at the back, and then between here we can put these carry braces, a backward slash, K and 30, and we can just copy this and paste it each of this between, copy this between each of these words here. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, and then click update to update it, and then let's go to the last one. Okay, so there we go. Update this and we have this. There you go. That is how we can use the ASS tag or the Advanced Substation Alpha subtitles to create this kind of like the karaoke kind of like text animation. If you've not subscribed, please do that, and see you back again in another video.